morning traders, welcome to the London live session trade review. I'm Rory Kruger and I'm going to walk you through it. So let's have a look at a couple of the trades that we're in today in London session on Monday. And so what you're looking at here is two entries on the euro dollar 4-hour chart. Now the lower entry is our first one that we triggered into, and it went down for us, gave us about 23 pips profit, and when it pulled back sitting at about 15-16 pips profit, I said to myself, you know what, close that trade out in profit and hope to get a better entry off the top. And so that's what I did. We closed it out in profit, 15 odd pips in profit, put a pending order right off this 23 because that's really where I wanted to be in the trade. And so fortunately enough, I've been triggered into that short as well. So as you can see, I'm short on the off the 23% fib with the 23, the 21 moving average, and also these wicks as protection against hitting my stop loss at the top here. So this so far is looking like a good trade. Already taken 15 pips off it, so you know, whatever happens to this next trade, I'm free and clear on that, and so it's a low stress trade, which is fantastic. Alright, let's have a look at the next pair that we're still in at the moment, as you can see here. Alright, let me just adjust the chart there for you so you can see it properly. There we go. Alright, so we were sitting up this side of the world, and when it came down, it started testing this area. And what I said to the guys in the live session, and we set this trade up in the live session for them, is that I want to get long in this area, as I believe in CAD weakness for the moment. Right, so if you believe in CAD weakness, the dollar should strengthen against the CAD and the chart should go up. And so we took a long right in the face of this red candle, in the area of the 61% Fibonacci, and we were looking for this line to hold. And what we said was, if it doesn't hold and we don't get a bounce off this line, well, then we can get out with a slightly less of a loss. You know, we don't have to go all the way to our stop loss down the bottom here. But the point is that if we get onto get into the trade, sorry, at this area here, we've got a good opportunity to find a bounce and a continuation pattern up. And as you can see, so far it's doing really well for us. Let's just measure that quickly. So far we're up 33 pips on that one, and we've taken a third of the trade off already, and the rest is at break even. So whatever happens to this trade as well, doesn't really make much of a difference. We've got profit in the bank from it, and we're waiting for it to go and see what happens. So those are the two trades we set up. Also, there was a short setup on the Aussie dollar. This is one I didn't get personally, to be honest. I'm very happy though that one of the ladies in the room got it. So congratulations to her. She got a good 30 pips off this one. We were sitting right here on that 365, and she mentioned it in the room, and I said, yes, well, you know what, if you're looking for a good trade entry, I would personally prefer to enter off this top trend line. I said, but if you're scared that you're not going to get that and you want to take a chance off the 365, it is a logical level. I said, just lower your lot size and put your stop loss above the 200. And that's maybe what she did, because she did enter into the trade, which is great. And as you can see, went all the way down the bottom here. She got herself a good 30 pips profit, and she took that off for the day. So great way to start the week. You know, early in the week, starting off with profitable trading days, fantastic. Can't complain about that. And that's what we got up to in the London live session today on Monday. So, you know, join us in the New York session, guys. We'd love to have you. If you'd love to join us and trade with us in London and New York, pop over to fab-tradershaven.com. You can join our London and New York live sessions. See you there. Cheers.